Database management. Database management play a vital role in any business. If we have proper information about that business, it will easy to take new decisions and implement our policies. For the collection of information, we will set up a database management system which will collect information about the age, gender, and location and completion of the customer data. It includes the data which can be easily retrieved and delivered, so that it should be compatible. And customization is important, so that our customer will review the data at any time if they need, and we will also review that data for our future expansion programs. And group emailing. Emailing is the emailing about the events and any other information which should be communicated to the people at right time, so that they should know in advance of any events if they are conducting, and if there is any changes in the schedules. And marketing tool includes the promotional tools such as advertising, and advertising should be done on newspapers, TV, and online on internet. Feedback is very important, so that we know about our customers' responses, what they feel about our health club, and this will help us to analyze the proper information about them and how they feel, what they want, what are their needs, what they want we will do for them. And banking and financial control. For this we have to up-to-date technology, so that we have all the information about the fees of our members who have paid, and what are their balances, and what are the payments of our franchises, and we can review this at any time if they want in our future for the customers and for the tax purposes also. So it's important to have a up-to-date software which will enable us to record our all business transactions.
We all know that virtual teams are getting popular day by day, and that's why we have thought of introducing the integrated collaboration environment in our health program. We would build a social networking website wherein our members can have their own profile and they can share it with other members. They can put their images before joining the health club and after joining the health club, and this would help them to get motivated, or other people can get motivated to this. They can share reviews. Apart from it, we would plan to start an online library in our profile, which would include research articles that would give tips about how to remain healthy. And apart from it, we would also give, our focus is mainly on emotional, financial, physical, and spiritual aspects, as we believe those are all necessary for a well-balanced life. And we would also, through our website, we would also give membership card in which includes discounts and deals for them. The next part will be explained by Harpreet.
In the class, we come across to many articles which will helpful in the business. For this, and one of the articles which I liked and will implement in our business is tipping point. Tipping point is the drastic change which will change the working environment and also gain a lot of profits. And from the tipping point, I will want to implement an innovative idea which will help us to grow and expand in the health club market. To grow our business, we will start with the weekly radio shows which will tell the people about the health and fitness, how important it is, and how we want to provide healthy environment to them, so that they feel encouraged and want to be member of our health club. And constant deals to the member. And the another thing which to attract the customer, we will provide constant deals, like the deals for children and old age people, so that they want to be part of our organization. Conducting social events. At time to time, we want to conduct social events to aware the people about the health, how important health, and what are the problems which can be led if they are not paying attention to the health, and how important exercise and another thing to be healthy at this time. And for this we will conduct social events at various places, and we will also like to go at schools and colleges, universities to aware the people about our health club and what kind of things we are doing. And another thing that we will like to provide holiday packages to our members. The members who are maximum rewards and doing well, we will provide the holiday packages to the places of natural beauties like beaches and hilly areas. I think that will encourage the people to want to be part of our organization.
So my friend Harpreet has discussed about the article tipping point, and the next one article is Good to Great. We did in our class. I'll tell you about Good to Great. In this article, we know about that choosing the right people to become from good to great, and we also choosing the right people, right employees, and to train the employees about the latest technology, as we know that latest technology is very important to monitor our health club, and we also encourage the employees then create discipline of learning about the health club, and the last one point is technology accelerator, to know about all technology up to date in the training companies. And that's all. And at last I would like to ask you one question. How many you are interested to join our health club?
That's good.
Very good.
Thank you for your answers.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're going to ask them if they have questions, right?
Yeah. Do you have any questions or any comments or improvements for our?
Oh, no, let's talk about the business first.
You guys talked about transportation cost and supply chain management. Like, what exactly transportation means? Are you providing any transportation, like any welcomes, like you send?
We would provide transportation to kids, especially in summer when they have vacations. Plan on for them packages like indoor games and all. Apart from it, the main thing is equipments. Since we're using a lot of equipments we need for their maintenance as well as depreciation, we need to bring in new equipments. So transportation goes for that.
So do I understand, you're suggesting that you'd actually go out and pick up people
Kids.
to come to the health club?
Right.
Pick up people.
That's a good idea.
I wonder how many places do that today.
Is it your health club or the organization you are running?
We
It
are
sounds
running
like
a health
organization
club.
because you're gonna go to schools and
That's
train the
our
children?
that's our social
Fine.
events. We are conducting research. We need data, so that's how we are going to conduct research on students, and people, and so that's what will help us.
Is your business, it will be established in the United States or in other countries?
We plan on to establish in New York, in Manhattan. That's the reason we named it Skyscraper Health Club.
What that exactly the transportation of members to the formation is, in here where you find public transport and also the
Yeah, it's a tri-state area, but still we would provide them transport. Especially the main concern is kids.
All type of transport is in New York City.
Initially, we plan on opening in Manhattan.
Anything else?
And
Okay. Well, thank you. Great.
I need to take
Why don't you guys...